He's making the batsman work for his money. A spirited defence. Just the one off that ball. Another four. The bowler has used all the weapons in his armoury, but nothing is working. He is not able to control the line and length on this spell. A deadly kiss goodbye to the bowler's last ball. Farewell by 4. It started to rain and the umpires are discussing how to proceed. This could send both teams back to the lockers. The grounds are all awash and everyone is hurrying back to the stands to escape the downpour. The rain gods have decided to send their greetings. The players run off and the covers come on.